Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable 120 Hz on your PlayStation 5. Keep in mind, in order for this to work, you will need a monitor that supports 120 Hz or higher. Today we're going to be using the 165 Hz Scepter monitor. The link for this monitor will be down in the description. Your monitor may be different, but in the case of this Scepter monitor, all we had to do is hit the menu button and our Hz output was posted on the top right corner. Alright, so let's get started. We are going to click on Settings, located in the top right corner. Once in Settings, we are going to go down to Screen and Video. Once in Screen and Video, we are going to click on Video Output, and then go all the way down until you see Enable 120 Hz Output. We are going to click on that and click Automatic. And make sure that HDR is off. Next, let's click on Resolution, and we want to make sure that we are on the highest resolution, 1080p. We are going to go back one time till we get to the settings screen. Next, we are going to click on Save Data and Game App Settings. Once in this screen, we are going to scroll down to Game Presets, and we are going to click on Performance Mode or Resolution Mode. We want to make sure that we are in performance mode. Now we're going to back out of everything and we are going to click on our monitor to see what hertz we are at. So just keep in mind before you check it again to make sure what hertz you are at to launch a game. So once you launch it, then you can check. And as you can see here in the top right corner, this monitor is at 120 hertz. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider supporting this channel by subscribing. We are almost at 6,000 subscribers, so thank you everyone who has subscribed. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.